In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google account from YouTube. Now, we all have multiple accounts these days, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. Sometimes it just gets confusing or cluttered, and you might want to tidy things up. So, let's dive into exactly how you can remove a Google account from YouTube in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to youtube.com. It's a familiar place for most of us, and the good news is that navigating to the account settings is quite straightforward. Once the home page loads, move your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. This is where you'll see your profile picture, or perhaps a circle icon if you haven't set one. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing several options that relate to your Google account and YouTube preferences. From here, you'll want to click on the Sign Out option. This might sound a bit odd if you're only trying to remove an account, but bear with me. Clicking Sign Out will effectively log you out of YouTube and any other Google services you might be using on this particular browser. This step is crucial because it helps reset your active sessions and clears the way for managing connected accounts. Keep in mind, signing out will only affect the current browser and device. This doesn't change anything for other browsers or devices where you're also signed in. Once you are signed out, it's time to click on your profile picture again in the top right corner of the YouTube page. Since you've now signed out, clicking here will give you options to either sign in again or switch accounts. Choose the Switch Account option from the drop-down menu. This action reveals a list of all Google accounts that are still signed into YouTube on this device. Next to each account, you'll see a button labeled Remove from List. Find the specific account you wish to remove and click on this option. It's that simple. Once you've clicked Remove from List, the account will no longer appear as a quick option to sign into YouTube from this browser. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Google account from YouTube. Whether it was an old account or just one you don't use much anymore, you've now cleaned up your list a little bit. This process can be repeated for any other accounts you wish to remove. I hope this guide made the process straightforward and actionable for you. Feel free to revisit anytime you need a refresher.